Today it's Friday, March the 2nd, and we're gonna have two videos for the Concert ISO 3 board with part number CA20227. And based on the fact that the modifications that were requested by Rich K on this particular board, we can test it. We feel that we won't be able to go through the standard procedure unless we make temporary changes to verify that the board works, as a standard, keeping in mind that there's components that change gain, that change the feedback, and so forth. So this second part of the video shows the changes that we've made to R34, R37. We added R35 to have a 0 to 20 command on both voltage. We only had it for current, we have it for voltage. Keep in mind that this might not be the way that it's used in the field by Concert, and that's why that was not requested. But here we're trying to prove that all the circuits work. And we changed back the scaling, amplifying value of R13, which is 19.1, to make it a gain of 20 when we have 50 millivolts times 20. For this particular board, that R13 is 61.9. So instead of changing our standard fixture or procedure, we basically made these temporary changes that make us feel that the board is working fine, the work is working as standard with minor modifications. On the first part of the test, or on the second video, we're gonna change those values to the exact original configuration requested per Concert, and we're gonna show the problems that we're having. All right, so go ahead, Tony. Right now, what we have is the 243 volts AC in, and we have a maximum output of 317. We have our 6100 board. The board is getting its 50 millivolt feedback, and we have voltage, and we have 0 to 20 milliamps on voltage and 0 to 20 milliamps on current. All right, Tony, so you want to go ahead and we have our delay angle of our board. Okay. You want to go ahead and
current limit.
So you're using the current
limit,
right? Keeping the voltage constant. All right, and then you can just bring it back, Tony. And you want to do the same for the voltage. Yeah. So you can see that we have some control there, and it's not coming full to zero, right, Tony? Based on the changes that were made.
Yeah.
Okay. You can just bring it back. Now, can you, with the use of the potentiometers, can you make the board trip? All right. Good. Go ahead and just bring it back, Tony. And then I'm assuming that you can use those potentiometers to also control the board. All right. Yep. And then you could probably do the same thing with current. So again, this process, very simplified, just makes us feel that the board is working good, it's operating fine, and then now we can make the necessary changes requested by Concert. The second video will show what happens if we just take this board and build it per the fabrication order that was approved by Concert, Rich K.